Now doing help seeking. There are two help seeking. There are two dimensions here. First one is help seeking for
Personal or emotional problems.
emotional problem. Next one.
Suicidal ideation.
Okay, help seeking for emotional problem. Let's do that first. Right. Are they numerical? Shall I
No.
combine the two together?
Yes.
Tidak mungkin. This tidak mungkin, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to recode them. Transform. Recode in the same variables. You can do both the sections together. Help seeking. All right. All together until your suicidal edition. All are new. There are four categories, right?
Yes.
So the tidak mungkin, the spelling must be exactly the same. Tidak mungkin, right?
Yes.
This become
1.
no, 0, okay? Let's say put 0, no. What's the other one?
Paling tidak kemungkinan.
Paling. Check the spelling, eh? Paling tidak kemungkinan.
Yes.
Correct spelling?
Yes.
Right. Also becomes 0.
Prof, the T is small, not capital.
For the paling, is there?
For the tidak.
Or this
the
one?
T.
Tidak.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's small T.
All right.
Yeah.
Change. Now, once you take care of these two, all the other values must be 1, right?
Yes.
All right. So once you take care of these two, all the rest, mungkin, paling mungkin, will be 1. So defining all this in zeros and ones. Are you okay?
Yes, Prof.
Continue and click OK. So check now, all becomes 0, 1. So 0 means what? Now 0 means what?
Tidak kemungkinan.
Tidak mungkin. 1 means
Mungkin.
yes, possibly yes. 0 means no. Yes and no. You can change them to numerical because some analysis require numerical form. Currently, they are string variables. Change to numerical. Right. So now I can define it. Define values. Okay, what is 0?
Unlikely.
No, unlikely. 1 is
Likely.
likely. So you can copy and paste all the way. All right. So the data, you can see that likely, unlikely. Let's do a frequency. Analyze descriptive frequency. For the first 10 questions, help seeking. So this is for until here. Click OK. Okay, that's what you have. Now, is it like difficult to find one by one, or you want to see all in one table?
All in one table.
Okay, we do. Now go to statistics. Ask for mean. I'll tell you why later. Continue. Click off this table. I don't want this table. Okay. Now, look at this. All the means are here. Let's do the last one, 10. What's likely here? How many percent likely?
49.7.
49.7 likely. So this is similar, 50%, right?
Yeah.
Right. So you want one table that what you can do is pivot it. Okay. Is it easier to say?
Yes.
The mean, our values are 1 and 0, right?
Yes.
Let's say 100 cases, 60 are ones, that means 60%, right?
Yes.
Okay, so these are percentages likely. So if I paste this, so help seeking from who? For what?
Personal problems.
Personal problem. Okay, personal problems. Translate all to English. So this is yes. So 1 minus that will be no, isn't it?
Yes.
These are percentages, right?
Yes.
All right. Change to percentage. And this is 1 minus that. So this will be how much? 32%. This will be 68%. So now among all this, which is most likely? These two high, right?
Yes.
Doctor and Kama.
Religious.
Which is lowest?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, this one is.
Now, this is not right, isn't it?
Yeah.
There must be some way here. How can be this, right?
Yeah.
What you didn't take this out? Line, possible. Right? Maybe it's not listed here. Right? Line, possible. So make it 9. Take out the number 9. So do the same thing for
Suicidal ideation.
remove this term. Oops. Now what you can do is also, you can interpret here, because number 9, you can interpret inside here. Can I compare this and this? Can I compare this and this?
Can?
Difference?
Yeah, can.
This what thing?
Sorry, Prof.
Are they about same percentage? So this
Yeah, almost the same.
about same, right?
Yeah.
Not much a difference,
Yeah.
right? So I can also create another one. So this is for personal problems, right? Correct?
Yeah.
One more for
Suicide.
suicide. I can also copy and paste that, put into one table both. They compare this way. They are about the same, right?
Yes.
Right. But there's no one like outstanding kind of thing. Supposing this is 0.91 and this 0.91. That means very high, right?
Yeah.
Most likely friends. Supposing this is 1 and this is 1. Means what?
They are the least.
Online, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But in this case, we don't have that kind of situation. Generally, we can say this high, this low, that's all. And then comparing the two situation, there's no much a difference. So this really doesn't tell you much. Okay? Can you check the demography? Can you test the demography?
Yeah, can.
Example, let's say gender, okay? Gender. Is there a difference between gender from where they seek? So now, your gender and you categorize them. That's the first part. Okay. 36 chi-square. Cells, row percentage. Okay, first one. Number 1. Is there a difference?
Yeah, significant.
What is the difference? Likely, right? You're thinking likely.
More likely.
Males are more likely compared to females, right?
Yes.
Right. Next one.
Significant.
Also significant. Males are more likely.
Significant. Significant.
Right. So all gender comes, the males, these are no, isn't it?
Yeah.
Healthy worker, no. Pakar,
No.
no. Talibantuan,
No.
doctor, no. This one, yes. Agama, who is more likely?
Males.
Male. That's all. So agama, some are significantly different, right?
Yes.
Right. How the table will look like? Table will be for that problem now. This can be male. This can be female, and one more the p value. So now I can put a percentages and compare this way, right?
Yes.
I think these two were less than 0.05, whatever value, right? So the value is 0.012. Let's say this is 0.023 and so on. I think these two are different. Supposing here 0.584 is not significant difference. So you compare the gender by all this. Is it the most important variable, gender?
Yeah, I think compared to the most, gender is got the most significance.
That's okay. Gender is okay. Right? So by itself, problem as we settle, comparison to settle, and this one here, comparison for problem for male and female, and also you can compare for suicidal ideation, male and female. Okay, let's see what is significant. Are they same variables or different variables? Number 1, yes, same pattern, right?
Yeah, males more.
Number 2, here, Kawan, no, no difference. No difference. No difference. No. 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 Yes. Dwargama. Right? So you can see some pattern, isn't it? Some differences between male and female. Okay? Questions?
Prof,
Ah,
how to find the relationship between mental health and also help-seeking behavior?
mental health, health-seeking behavior. I don't think actually. Now I just test it. Take out this. Mental health. Let's say depression. But these are already for the kind of situations, right?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So I don't think it's wise to do that. Help seeking for suicide ideation, then this also will be covered under the right.
Yes.
So let's try that, right? Depression. But I suggest don't do it. Right. Not significant. Not significant. No. 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 This one, yes. Depression tali bantuan. This is a depression category, likely which one? So these people are likely. Also here, 5. Is it okay? Depressed people are most likely to go for Taliban one?
Yes.
All right, Emily, if we want to, okay? Okay, this one. Oh, this one don't allow, okay? That is redundant. Yeah, only one. Similarly, you can check the others. Anxiety. Let's go upward. This one, yes. This one, don't do. No. This one, yes. Doctor. Right?
Okay.
Likely. When they're severe, are they more likely? But here, number 2, mild also more likely, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Right? Maybe people are cautious, right? They go and see doctor, why I'm feeling like that. Possible. So no. Okay, this one, yes. Paka mental. This one, isn't it?
Yes.
Severe. Right? No. 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 All right. If you're interested, you check this one.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Or you can group all the mental health into 3 levels. One is none, mild and moderate together, severe and very severe together, and check whether it makes a difference. I don't know.
Okay, thank you, Prof.
All right. Any other questions? No. So who is on EBA?
Prof, before that, Prof, I have a question, Prof. I'm from Happiness Group.
Right.
Prof, for my questionnaire, right, the second one, the Rana questionnaire.
Rana, forget it, we're not doing validation.
No, Prof, I'm not going to ask you how to do Rana, but I can't seem to divide the question. You keep telling me error.
In SPSS, is it?
Yeah. I go to transform. Actually, I go to compute variable.
Right.
And then I need to take the Rana 1 until 7, add it, and then divide it by Rana 8 to 12.
Okay, sum of Rana, let's say Rana 1 space 2, Rana 8 divide by
Rana 9 to 12.
divide by Rana sum, right?
9 to 12. Yeah, sum of 9 to 12.
Rana 9 to Rana what?
12.
Yes. Let's check. Sum of this divide by, correct?
Okay.
So here we run something like run a score. Is it everything same exactly?
Oh, sorry, Prof. Rana 1 to 7.
That's better. Similar?
Yeah, similar.
Similar. So here, what's the name you give?
I put Rana score.
Rana score. Any space in between?
No.
Everything okay. Now go and check the Rana in your variable view.
Okay.
Here, Rana. See, there are string variables, right?
Yes.
String variables how to add?
Oh, okay.
You must convert them into numeric.
Okay.
All these variables convert into the numeric. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Right. All these convert to numeric. See, each one is different. Correct.
Yes.
You can apply just now for one variable. I just apply the same thing for the help seeking. But here responses are different. So change them to example. Let's say I change this. Okay. Okay, that's one kind of okay, numeric. It must be numeric variables. Okay, one. Just an example, okay?
Okay.
After all this, as the example, after doing all this, you see all some numbers, go back to variable view, and then change numeric. Don't change numeric first. If we change numeric first, see what happens. All go missing, right?
Yeah.
Right, go one by one, see the one remains. So one by one, change to numeric first, numbers first. So you'll see only values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go to variable view, change numeric. Then the formula will work.
Okay, Prof.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions?
No, Prof. I got no more questions already.
All right. Shall we do the EBUG?
Yes,
EBUG,
yes, Prof.
are you there?
Yeah, we're here, Prof.
Okay.
Yes, Prof.
Data, I don't know the data.
Just a moment, Prof. We'll share screen.
Okay. Where is share screen? Are you able to share? I forgot how to share screen.
Do you want to stop share screen first?
Which one?
Your screen.
Stop already. I already paused mine. Are you able to access?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, show your screen. Okay.
Can you see our screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so from here we have tabulated all of our data. We have 22 samples and we have tabulated all the scores. Mainly here, we have the variables. You can see we have the.
Are there several sections or all in one?
Several fractions.
Several sections. Okay.
Yeah, we have the total score before, total score after, the difference, for the hand hygiene before and after and the difference, oral hygiene before after difference, respiratory hygiene before after difference, food hygiene before after and the difference.
Okay.
So we have tabulate all the scores out, and we will run a pair t-test in between for each of the variable to see the significance. Then we would run the univariate test between the score.
That's a patch sample, the before after. This one you found the difference, right?
Yes, yes.
This is a total score. This after Umar is total score, right?
Sorry, Prof.
Just now you have total score for the by the sections, right?
Yes, yes.
Where is it? What you
This
showed me just now.
the variable view.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the total score. You don't have to find the difference. Only the total score will do. Do a paired sample t-test on the total score. Okay, let's go to analyze. Compare means paired sample. All right. What click? I can't see the pop out. I think better share screen, okay? I mean, share your desktop. I can't see.
Oh, you can see. Oh, okay.
Okay, share desktop.
Now, Prof.
All right. So variable one before bring inside. Okay, second variable bring inside. So this for total score, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, just click OK.
Yeah, Prof. I already did this for all 5.
Let me do this one first.
All right.
Look at the output. So what's the score before? What's the score after? Look at the first table, paired sample, 29.5, 31.8. The first table.
First table.
That table, this paired sample statistics. There are few tables. Look at the first table. Right, 29.5. After that, 31.18, right?
Yes.
Is that an increment?
Yes.
How much? Look at the third table. Third table, how much increase? Improved. 1.1682, right?
Yeah.
And what's the p-value last column? Last column. The same table, the last column. Last column.
0.048.
Right. That means a significant improvement, right?
Yes.
How do you write this? The mean before is 29.5 plus minus 3.8. Mean after is 31.18 plus or minus 31065. The mean difference is 1.682 plus or minus 3.759. In the test, the p-value was 0.048, which is less than 0.05. Therefore, there is a significant improvement, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's do the others now. Put other variables in. Go back to analysis. Yeah.
Prof, I actually have all of it already. Do you want to just do that?
Okay. Now don't put all the charts and everything, okay?
All right.
Let me just do it. Just do it. Analyze. Good
All right.
analyze. Analyze. Let's redo this. Good analyze. Compare means. Pair sample t-test. Okay. What's the next pair?
For hand hygiene.
Hand hygiene. Okay. Put in. Before and after.
I put for the rest or?
Yeah, yeah. All right. Next. Put all will be seen in one table. It'll be easier. Right. Click OK. Okay. The first table here. Paired sample statistics. Now all the means before and after, right?
Yes.
Before and after, before and after. Okay. Next table. Right. Paired statistics. Next one. Okay. Now look at the last column. Last column. In this table, last column. So how many variables are significant?
Only 2.
Only 2. What is that? Hand hygiene.
And the total scores.
Hand hygiene overall. So what is not significant?
For the oral hygiene, for the respiratory hygiene, and for the food hygiene, it's not significant.
And food hygiene. So only, look individual dimensions, only hand hygiene is significant, right?
Yes.
Others, because we are adding the size increases, maybe yes, right? But among the 4 domains, only hand hygiene has improved, isn't it?
Yes.
Right, to show, go to the first table, right, this is going to show before and after, plus or minus standard deviation, okay?
Yes.
Right? No, 29.5, can you paste this in a Word file? Paste this table in a Word file. Copy and paste. Paste in a Word file. Oh, you already have that, is it?
We try to plot it out,
That's all
but
right.
it's not
Uh,
complete yet.
no, go on. You did put the before and after. No.
We have
difference,
it
right?
here for the mean.
Okay, before, after, variance, standard deviation, skew. No need on it. It's all only for. Now, paste the table, copy just now. Right. So you can remove the pair 1, pair 2, okay? Or the pair 1 column can remove.
Yes.
Right. So you can change it to like number 5. Number 5 is what? Total score, food hygiene, right? Food hygiene, right? Food hygiene, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, just put food hygiene. Now change the table line. The table is changed.
So I put
No, the table
Wait.
there, food score, I mean total score for food hygiene.
it's a picture
Oh,
of each
go
one.
back, copy and paste. Right click, copy, 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 copy. Yeah. Okay. Go to Word file. No, paste. Okay. Now try to change.
It's still a table for a picture.
Sure. Go back again. Can't copy. Right click. Copy. Hold on. Copy special. Plain text. Okay. Can you change now? Can you type over? Which one is pasted now?
So yeah, all the relevant.
Delete all this. Okay, paste.
Still a picture.
Paste again. Remove. Slowly. Plain text. Okay. Slowly. Right click. Hold on. Paste. Okay. Paste.
Yeah.
Oh, still a picture. Okay. Open Excel. Okay. I found text. Okay.
But it wouldn't be coming in
Yeah.
table
Can you paste in Excel?
on
Paste in
Excel.
Yeah. Now, okay. All right. Okay, let's start from bottom. What's the last one?
Food hygiene.
Food hygiene. Change to food hygiene. Just food hygiene. Food hygiene. Right. Next one. Food hygiene before and after, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Open one more column. Open one more column. Okay. Okay. B. Highlight B. Right click. Insert column to the. Okay. Now there's a column. Insert column to the right. Insert. Right. So first one, total, right? Okay, let's go to first one. Total score, right?
Yes.
Put total score, type total score. To the right, column C, you put that before, after, next column, next row after. Do the same thing for all the rest. So just copy and paste before, after, just copy and paste the two cells. Just copy and paste the two cells. Okay. So there, just put the total, hand hygiene, whatever, right? On the column B,
Oh, yes.
hand hygiene. Just type over. Right. Remove the next. Okay, delete column A. Delete column A. Say column B, heading, column A now, heading is, what do you call this variable, is it?
Uh,
What do you call this? Is this, what kind of score are they? Hygiene score,
Not
is it hygiene score?
yes.
Hygiene variable? I'll put variable first, variable, later can change, variable. The heading is variable, right? Okay, next row B, time. Okay, next row, mean, plus minus standard deviation. Mean, plus minus. I might just put plus dash minus first. Okay, below that, 29.5. 29, standard, okay, 29.5 plus minus. The standard deviation, 3.8. Okay, remove the column D.
D.
Remove. Delete. Column E, delete. Column E, delete. So now column E, the heading put T. T. Below. T. Next column P. P value. Right. So minimize the window. Put the SPSS output side by side. Reduce the columns. Columns are too wide, right? Okay. Go to the third table. Third table. Right. What's the value for T for the first one? First one is 2.098, right? 2.098. Yeah, correct.
Do I put a minus?
It's not necessary. The last column, your P value. Right. Okay, so fill up all the values, the T and the P. Hey, where the other group mates, I can help him read.
Yeah, so
Read for him.
0.752.
You type, they read for you.
0.752, the T value, and P is 0.461.
New student.
And then for the next one is 1.578.
T.
Yeah, 1.578. and then 0.129 for respiratory, the p-value.
Okay.
Yeah, p-value. 0.129. And then for food hygiene, it is 0.145, the t value.
Dr. Priya, what can you call this cause? Hand hygiene, oral hygiene.
0.5, and the p value is 0.886.
Sorry, Prof, what to
What
call is
can
it?
you call this variable, total score, hand hygiene? Okay, copy and paste the whole table in Word file. What can I call this? Is it dimensions or factors? What name can I give?
It's actually testing their knowledge.
Okay, knowledge scholar, right?
Yes.
Variable change in knowledge. All right. So knowledge, time. So now you already have this table, right?
Yes, yes, Prof.
So you can widen the column for mean plus or minus standard deviation. Okay, that's the title is, let's say table 1, title, table X, table, okay, table X. Okay, write the paired sample. Before that, put table. Okay, table X. Okay, comparison of knowledge course before and after intervention. Intervention. Take out the paired sample before and after intervention, that's all. Take out the paired sample before and after intervention. Remove the paired sample. Right, so that's a table, that's a heading. So what is in the table? Okay.
This one,
Yeah,
we have
above table 1, type this. So the table 1 just now, you type table 1, right?
yes,
Above the table 1, type that. Comparisons in the mean values. Comparison in the score, right?
yes,
Comparisons in the score. Between the scores. Comparison between the scores, pre and post intervention were tested, were performed. Intervention was performed using the paired sample t-test. Paired sample t-test. The results are presented in table X, yours table 1. Right. Okay. Among the tested variables, only for knowledge, total knowledge and hand hygiene knowledge, only total and hand hygiene knowledge showed significant improvement. Right?
yes, Prof.
Okay, after the only total, what he wrote only total, after total put a bracket, after total put a bracket, second line,
Yeah,
after total, no, second line, after total, the second line, in the second line, we have only total, right?
yes,
After total, put a bracket. After total, put inside a bracket. P equals to 0.048. 0.048, close the bracket. And hand hygiene, same thing. Open a bracket, 0.015, close the bracket. Right, that's all right. So you modify the table, right?
all right.
Okay.
And Prof, can we run between, if any significance between age and gender
Okay, age and gender.
But
Right. So now you're talking about changes, right? Change score, right?
yes,
Okay, change score, does it age? How many levels do you have? Gender, male, female, age?
age have two categories.
Two categories. Okay, let's go to t-test. Compare
Sorry.
means. Go to compare, analyze, compare means. Analyze. Let's analyze. Go to data. Analyze, compare means. Independent samples. Independent samples. Okay. So bring all the different variables, difference variables into the test variable. All the difference. Yeah. Only one at a time. Right click, define, so bring gender. Okay, define group. How do you define? Is it 1, 2? Your coding, is it 1, 2 for male and female?
Yes, yes.
Okay, put 1 and 2. 1,
One is female or female.
you type male, okay? All right, continue. Okay. Click
Check
OK.
again. Yeah, one is male, two is female.
Is it 1 or is it type male and female?
I,
Now go back to analysis.
uh,
So go back to the analysis just now. T-test, go back to T-test. Okay, right click.
Hi,
sorry,
Prof.
right click.
Hi.
Prof, can I leave now?
Yeah, can.
All right. Thank you, Prof. So we'll just contact you in the afternoon in case there are
Yeah.
problems. Is it?
All right.
All right. Thank you, Prof.
Okay. Right. Is it 1, 2? Male, female.
Yes.
The cancel. Right click on Jantina. Right click on Jantina. Yeah, right click, variable information. 1 is male, 2 is female, right?
Yes.
Okay, just put 1, 2. Just click OK first. Click OK. Click OK. So it's not male, female, right? Go back to analysis. Do the independent samples. Okay, change to 1, 2. Okay, group, define groups, 1, 2. Okay. Again, is it 1 dot male, female? 1 dot male, 2 dot female. Try that. Why a male, female? Hold on. String variable. 1 equals to male. Now what do you do? Change Jantina string to numeric. Okay. Okay, numeric. Okay. Click OK. Right, do the t-test again. Okay, 1, 2. You change the variable to numeric, right? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 correct. 1, 2. Okay, right now to the measure. Okay, measure. Go to the right. Go to the right. Measure. Scale. Right. Try now. Okay. Hold on. Do again. Okay. Initial Jantina. Right click. Define groups.
Right click.
Define groups. 1, 2. Right. Continue. Reset. Okay, do again. Just one. Do one. first.
Oh,
Okay. I put Argentina. Define groups. Okay, now put 1, 2, right? Okay, continue. Okay. Okay. Now I can put all, okay? Put all. Okay. Okay, copy and paste the first table in Excel.
this one.
First table, above. Okay, copy and paste this table. Paste in Excel. Right. Can take out the N, remove C, remove F, E, remove E. Okay, so now the group statistics, you put the difference. The group statistics change to difference. Group statistics up there, right, difference. Okay. Okay, what's the first variable? Total score. Same like just now, total score. Difference change to total score. Total score. Okay, and hygiene. Now I do the later. Now above Argentina, put the gender. Why is run already? Okay, now the C and D highlight row number 1. C and D highlight. Correct. Okay, okay, correct. Why Argentina goes up? Argentina. Okay, take out Argentina, put gender. Instead of Argentina, gender. All right. Okay. Now, column E, put the T, and then P. Okay. T and then P, like same like just now. All right, let's go side by side. Minimize the windows. Okay, let's see what's the P values.
Yeah.
Okay, you're talking about the two-sided P. All right, correct. Look at the first value only. 496. Okay, put the P value 496. Put it side by side, easier, right?
Yes.
So what's the T value? T value?
This one.
Yeah.
Negative 0.694.
Ah. Okay, put all the T values first line. Okay, somebody read for him. Why Larry, huh?
Most of female.
Yeah, female's missing. I might type female here and just type in.
All right.
Okay, type female there, last one, type female. Okay, put the mean values. So what are the mean values? 0.14. 0.14, right?
Female.
Negative 0.20, right? Negative 0.20. And then Sumitra. Yeah, just ask. Okay. Ask for her. Yeah, ask for her. All right. Bye. Yeah. Last column. Oh, sorry, correct. First row for each one. 0.292. Your group members not there.
We are here, Prof.
Then why can't I see same?
Okay. The difference.
Okay. Copy and paste the whole table. Paste it. Space. Right. So it's table 2, right? You know how to get all into one table. Take out the difference or line. Should remove the difference, right? Table 2. Change in scores. Now difference in scores.
Oh,
The table 2 heading. No. Okay. Table 2. Difference in scores between male and female. Right. So below that, the hand hygiene, take out the difference of oral, just put oral hygiene. Just take oral hygiene. Right. Okay. You know how to get into the table, highlight the whole thing, highlight the table, right click. To highlight only the table, difference score, is there a table also? Okay, right click, fit into window. Don't have a, okay, cell alignment, you don't have a, okay, just minimize the windows, minimize the columns, make the columns smaller. Yeah. Whole thing. Now you know what to do, right?
yeah.
So mean plus or minus standard deviation, eh?
All right.
Okay. You know how to do plus minus, right? The sign plus minus, you know how to do it, right? Insert, symbol, go to the right, move to the right, add one symbol, yeah, click that, look for plus minus. We're in the classes now, insert, close.
Oh,
Okay, plus, wait, you want different place, after the mean. Okay, copy and cut and paste. Right. So value is, next one is 3.02. Standard deviation. 2, okay, you're going to prepare this table, okay?
all right.
And the T and the P is there. So anything significant?
No.
No, that means there's no significant difference in the changes score between male and female. Okay?
Yes, Prof.
No significant difference. You want to age group, do the same thing.
Yes. All right.
Nothing else? Remove Jantina. Just remove Jantina. Just remove. Move out. Okay. How do you define the age? Go and check the age. Is it numerical?
Oh, no, it's
Age was a string. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
oh, 1 and 2.
Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, Jantina already there. Be fine. Okay, 1, 2. Continue. Okay.
So
The output. Is there anything significant? Nothing, right?
no,
No, no, last column, the T under test. Okay, next one. Okay, two-sided. Nothing significant, right?
no.
So do the same thing like just now, copy and paste the first table, and conclusion, there's no difference. Copy and paste the first table in the Excel. The first table, before that, yeah, copy and paste in Excel. Okay, just paste below here. Right, so do the same thing, right? So don't delete the standard deviation, we need that to move into mean. Don't
Oh.
delete standard deviation. Like exactly what you did just now. Okay, now.
So
Okay, after doing everything, copy and paste in Word.
all right.
Any difference?
Sorry?
Anything significant just now? Anything significant?
No significance.
Anything significant. All the p-values are more than 0.05. So plug in the t-value and the p-value.
Understood, Prof.
Okay.
So do we need to keep this?
What you can do is baseline. At baseline, okay, go to your data. Okay, analyze, descriptive, frequency. Okay, put in all the baseline before, score before.
So before.
All the scores before. Just double click. Double click. All right.
Yes.
Okay, go to statistics. Click mean and standard deviation. Okay. Continue. Now display frequency table, click off. Right at the bottom. Yeah, click off. Right. Okay. So these are baseline, right? Down, 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 down. Okay, these are baseline characteristics, baseline values.
All right.
Double click on the table. Double click on the table. Okay, remove the first two rows, highlight the first two rows, highlight 22, 22, number. Okay, the two, all the way to the right. Delete your keypad, delete. Your keyboard, delete. Okay. Now, where's the pivot? Can't see the pivot.
Sorry.
Okay, close this. Close. Okay. Just right click on the table, right click. Okay, don't have the pivot, I don't know where it is. Okay, copy and paste. Close this. Close. Okay, copy and paste in Word file. Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Who's this? Yeah, I'm still another meeting now. I'll call you once it's done, all right? Okay, bye. Are you pasting in Word file or in the Excel?
Do we do Excel or Word?
Excel. Okay, now you must make the table like the early table, okay? The first table.
Like
All right.
this.
The scores must come to the right-hand side. Okay, what's the
Okay.
first score? Total, right?
Yeah.
The first column, go down after standard deviation, go down after standard deviation. After that, some more down. Okay, total. Next one is hand hygiene. So just type like hand hygiene. Next one is oral. You can refer to the above one, right? Respiratory. Next is food hygiene. Okay, on the column B, type the mean plus or minus standard deviation. Type mean plus minus standard deviation. SD. Okay, first, total. So it must be above that, above that. Total, the mean standard deviation must be above the total, right? Okay. The first one, 29.5. Just type 29.5. Plus minus. Okay, do that, right? Copy and paste. Plus minus. What's standard deviation? 3.8. Next one.
6.91 plus
You
minus
leave a
1.
space first, leave a space first. Later, going to change it, right? Continue.
All right.
Yeah.
1.8.
1.82. Next.
6.5 plus 1.68.
6.55, right?
6.55. Sorry. Like 7.36 plus 0.72. The next 9.14 plus minus 2.21.
Okay, now copy the table. Copy below standard deviation. Okay, highlight that. Okay. All right, copy and paste. So this table must come before the patch sample. Before the patch sample. Before the patch sample. Where the patch sample? All right. So this is table 1. Heading will be table 1. Scores at baseline.
Scores
At
at
baseline. Okay. You must tell where they were in the beginning. All right. Then briefly describe. Now, number of items in hygiene, oral hygiene, are same or different? Number of questions.
slight difference.
Same or different?
Different.
These are mean scores or total scores?
Mean.
Mean scores. That means they're comparable, okay? Which is the highest score here? Between the 4, which is higher?
food hygiene.
Right. So in this table, food hygiene was higher compared to the others, right?
Yes.
As shown in table 1, food hygiene, mean score for food, mean score total. Why is it called total score? All mean scores, right?
This is for total combination of all four.
Food
The
hygiene.
means
How do you measure food hygiene? How many questions?
food hygiene
Hence,
has allocated 12 marks. I think.
yeah,
Okay.
there was
Marks. How do you get 12 marks? Is it?
Yeah.
So it's all scores, like total scores, right?
Sorry, Prof.
That all total scores, right? Scores, right? Upon 12, right? Then why you type that?
No.
Hygiene.
For hand hygiene, for oral and respiratory, it's out of 9.
So they're not same, right?
Yeah.
Then you can't compare, right? Because that. You can't say one is more than the other, right? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
So only say that these are the scores, full stop. The mean scores are shown in table 1. Finish.
All right. Understood. Prof.
All right. Next is comparing before and after, right? Next table is before. Where are you going? The good
Sorry.
part. The next one is comparison before and after, right? The next one, next test we did, pair sample t test. Next one,
Before
this
and
is
after.
before and after, right?
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing here? Comparing the effectiveness of the intervention, right?
Yes.
So the space before comparison is typed there. Effectiveness of the intervention. Before comparison between, that's comparison between. Where's the statement comparison between in this page?
Comparison.
Right, above that, you type there, testing the effectiveness of the intervention. And for that, this is what we did. This can be a subheading. This can be a subheading. Means what? Give a space between. Okay. First table at baseline, right? First table is baseline, isn't it?
Yes.
So above that, you type there baseline values. Before the table, type there baseline values. And here going to describe how they were measured. Enter. All right. Baseline values tell how they measured, and these are statistical, the values. Next is testing the effectiveness. You're doing comparing before and after. Right? Okay, next.
Yes.
Comparison between. Next table. This is comparison between change score between male and female. Comparison change score between male and female. Comparison in change scores. Comparison, okay, between male and female. So that's a subheading. Enter. So do the same thing for age, right?
Yes.
The next subheading will be age. Same thing, comparison between the differences in score of by age. You understand?
Yes, Prof.
Right. So do the same thing for this as well. Then sequence the tables, table 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right.
General finding. What's
Sorry.
general? Huh?
Sorry. Yes.
What's the general finding? You're going to discuss it. What's the general finding?
General finding. Overall, there's a significant significant
improvement in
Hand hygiene.
hand hygiene only. Isn't it?
Yes.
Can I comment on the total score as well?
Of course you can, but this is a combination of all the individual scores, right?
Yes.
Overall, there's an improvement only in hand hygiene.
Yes. Yes.
So can you say yours is effective? Only hand hygiene made a difference? Oral, respiratory, food did not make a difference, but hand hygiene made a difference. Is it good or not?
No.
A hand hygiene made a difference. Your intervention made a difference. Hand hygiene. Is it good enough?
Not
No.
good enough.
Huh?
Not good enough.
Why not?
It should be for all.
For all, oral, respiratory, and food hygiene. Can you, Nama, you discuss, okay? Talk to your supervisor and discuss. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Okay, what's the skewness value? Second, skewness is 2.12. Okay, that's very high. Which variable is this? Which variable? BMI definitely is not, because some heavy there, right? But you're not taking the BMI. No, you did categorize BMI, isn't it? Then normality doesn't count. Only actual BMI, then normality counts. All right? Okay, correlation instead of Pearson, use Spearman's. Yeah, right. Don't use Pearson. Yes, correct. Yeah, score, BMI score. Okay? All right. Bye. Okay, are we done?
Yes, Prof.
Okay. All right, they're making the standardized tables and the edited tables. Any more?
No. So I think that's it, Prof.
Hey, as a researcher, you must know what you're doing. You're talking about hand hygiene, oral hygiene, respiratory, food hygiene. Okay, all are important. But at this time, hand hygiene improved. Is it good or not? During this pandemic time, hand hygiene improved. Is it good or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Also depends the times. At least the hand hygiene is improved. That's a very important right now. That's why a discussion going to be. We don't understand what your data is telling, how to write the discussion. Are you okay?
Yes, Prof. Yes.
All right. How can the mean score for the male respiratory hygiene 0? Better go and check the value, right?
Yes.
All right. Any other questions? Any other questions?
No, Prof. I think that's it.
All right. So we stop now?
Yes.
Thank you, Prof.
All right.
Thank you, Prof.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
Prof.
Yep, thank you.